Deciphering the WPS pin mystery for HP printers.
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into the world of HP printers and specifically address the question, is there a default WPS pin for HP printers or does it vary by model?
What is WPS?
WPS stands for Wi-Fi Protected Setup. It's a method to connect devices to a wireless network without having to input a password. Instead, you can use a pin, or even just press a button on both the router and the device, and they'll find each other and connect securely.
Is there a default WPS pin?
The straightforward answer is no, there isn't a universal default WPS pin for HP printers or any other brand for that matter. This is because having a default WPS pin would be a significant security risk, allowing anyone to easily connect to a printer.
So, how do you find the WPS pin for an HP printer?
For most HP printers, the WPS pin is dynamically generated each time you try to connect a device using WPS. Here's a basic breakdown of the process. 1. On your HP printer, select the WPS Wi-Fi Protected Setup option. 2. Choose the PIN method. Your printer will then display a pin on its screen. 3. Input this pin on the device you want to connect. Remember, the pin will only be valid for a short duration, typically around 10 minutes, after which you'll need to generate a new one. So there you have it. While there's no default WPS pin for HP printers, it's a simple process to generate a new one each time you need it. We hope this video has clarified the mystery surrounding WPS pins for you. Stay connected, and happy printing!